If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Insane from Injective, we finally got our third target now met. So we initially had our first two targets met. We were anticipating some sort of a dump from here because we were getting some negative candlesticks, but Injective was just too strong. It continued to the next target. Our belief is that we were always going to continue higher. We just thought, okay, maybe because of these, we're going to come down in the short term, come down to that 20 daily. As long as we can maintain that, we will continue higher. Did not give a crap about coming down to test key levels of support. We've just continued to the third target, and now we have three more. Again, guys, this is all made possible since breaking through $8.50 over here. Before breaking through $8.50, we had to have the belief that this is an area of possible rejection to send us lower. But as I gave multiple bullish signals in the past, such as this bullish divergence down here on the 200 EMA, which would suggest that while we are above the 200 EMA, that Injective is in a daily uptrend or daily bull market. And this is why we eventually pushed through that $8.50 level of resistance over here, flipping it into support and creating the reversal wave, which opens up the possibility to all of these targets being met. We were simply waiting for this high to be broken over here, about $10 we were saying on the channel, and then we would, after $10 we would be meeting our targets, which was a pump of between 11, 20 and 30%. We are now currently at 40% gain at a high of 45%. Our next targets are 55% gain, 75% gain, and a 85% gain from our initial breakout. From today's current price, we would see further targets of 11, 24 and 34% gain on top of what you've already made. So let me know in the comment section below if you did manage to take this trade. Again, guys, we were waiting for $8.50 and $10 to be broken to meet these targets. While we are above $8.50 and in fact $10, we assume that we will continue higher to those targets higher up between $15 and $18. But we are looking for some bearish signals that could appear on the lower time frames to suggest that we could be topping out, just to expect a short-term dump and then continue upwards. So we need to see if we're getting those signals as of now. So I can see that we're getting higher highs, but here we're getting lower highs. So if we were to then lose the 20, we have this dump to the 55. As long as the 55 holds and reclaims the 20, we will just continue higher. So if this is then lost, if both moving averages are then lost, we have a deeper correction down to $10. Even if we did come down to $10, eventually we will continue higher, guys. So it's just about watching the reactions from the moving averages right now. We do have some divergences. In fact, even with these two highs over here, we've got the lower highs. And then just here as well, we got lower highs. So we've got two bearish divergences being signaled right now. We just need to hold below this wick of $14.30, and we'll start to see this play out. You have to lose the 20 to get the dump to the 55, where if we can reclaim the 20, that is the dump complete. But if we lose both of them, we're coming back down to $10, wherever that 200 moving average is, or if there's any bullish signals before that 200 moving average. So I'll be watching out for divergences over the next few days. But as of now, if we stay below $14.30 then and lose the 20 moving average on the 4-hour time frame at $13.43, then we will start to get this dump towards $12. This will all be moving, guys, the longer it takes. So right now it's at $12, but this will move up. And this is why I was suggesting $10 over here, because by the time, if it were to get down there, this would have dragged up a little bit and would have been in line with the 1 fib level. And again, guys, we just need to maintain $8.50 and $10 to continue to these higher up targets. So although there's bearish signals right now, it could just be short term to key levels and then continue higher. This is what I think is going on. This is what I think these bearish signals are trying to get at. And the deepest we can come while maintaining bullish is that $10 area, because that's where the 200 EMA is. I know we said we can get down to here, but I'm more focused right now on what the moving averages are saying as we're uptrending and following this uptrend. So we just need to maintain the uptrend by holding above all three moving averages. We know, okay, if you lose this one, you come down to this, then we should continue higher. But if we do lose that, we come down to this and then eventually continue higher anyway. So it's exciting times. There's a lot of gains ahead, and we just need to essentially break this high and we are going to get this explosion on Injective. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I've got a couple days left on my discounted course. That will include 3 months free in my Discord community where you can get free mentorship sessions as a group. Message me using the links in the description or head over to the website if you want to hear more about what I offer. I'm going to play a little clip right now. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.